The weekly code quiz. So yesterday we showed that the A of the RGB color space is for controlling opacity. Does this mean that if you do not want full opacity that you have to use the RGBA color space? No, because there's also a separate opacity property. For the opacity property, the value of 1 is full opacity and the value of 0 is full transparency. The default value for opacity is 1. So if it is not defined, the browser assumes you want the color displayed at full opacity. So in our example, we will again look at the colors red, green, and blue. Instead of using the RGB color mix, we will use the hexadecimal or hex color space or the color name system. Then we will add an opacity property and set it to the following values: 1, 0.8, 0.6, 0.4, and 0.2. Let's take a look at the CSS. For the color green, we are using the color name instead of the hexadecimal color code. And this is how it would display. When do we use the RGBA color space? The main difference is that when using the opacity property to add transparency to an element's background, all the child elements will also become transparent as well. If you do not wish the child elements to also have the transparency applied, then using the RGBA color space would be preferred. Presented by Designers Learn Code.